Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing okay. We're just going for a little ride. It's about 8:15 and about 40 degrees. Not too bad. So I'll see you on the road. That's if we can get this bike started. We are on the road and just heading down to Sherwood. It's a weekly cars and coffee event that they have down here, and it's been pretty well attended, even over the winter. In the summer it's completely different. It's packed, actually. You can hardly get in. Just thought I'd take this opportunity to get a ride in. It's pretty nippy. The bike did not want to start earlier. I kicked and kicked quite a bit. Finally gave it some welly, as they say, and it burst into life. So I hope you're enjoying the videos of the Commando. It's going really well. Since we last spoke, there's been a very interesting and successful revelation with the bike, with the electronic ignition, and I did a video on that as well, so that should be coming up in probably a couple of weeks' time, and it's just amazing. I'm really pleased with how everything went, and so I hope you'll watch that episode. I doubt there'll be many bikes here this morning, possibly 2 or 3. It's really just a social event at the moment, I guess, you know, and seeing the cars. There are some really nice cars. I took the paintwork on the Commando to Rob yesterday, and he did a great job. He just basically gave it a very light polish on the tank and the side covers, and he didn't touch the pinstripes at all. He did go over the decals just very, very lightly, but not the pinstripes. He worked his way round those with the buffer. Much oil on this pavers.
Okay. Going. Get at least one shot. That'll keep you warm.
And so Laura and myself did a very take it out because she likes the
haven't even put a memory card, and I had to do some override.
That didn't get those. It's a Chevy. It was Tim. It was Sharky Nelson's son. Tim.
Well, that was tremendous fun. I hope you enjoyed those clips of the cars. I didn't take too many, but there were some really nice examples there. That Franklin, I think someone was saying that's the first time it's been out since a significant restoration. I think he said 10 years. It was amazing. I think it was a 1930 or a 31 air-cooled Franklin. Well, as always guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all your support. I'm glad that you continue to like the videos, and hopefully we'll have a lot more coming this year, this 2022. So take care of yourselves. See ya.